If you are looking for a healthy alternative to the jasmine rice, the basmati rice, the long grain Uncle Ben rice, listen, I am going to show you how to make this quinoa with black lentil beans that's absolutely delicious. It's full of so much flavor. Let's go ahead and get the olive oil in the pot. Then we're gonna go ahead and subscribe to this channel, smash the notification bell, hit that like button, leave me a comment. We are adding epis green seasoning. If you have not tried my epis homemade green seasoning, click the link in the comments of this video and go make you some. It's gonna take your dishes to a whole new level of flavor. You're gonna let this just saute, and when you start smelling it, the fragrance coming from it, then you can go ahead and add your green scallion onions. I'm just adding one sprig of this onion. And for this recipe, you're gonna read the back of how it says to cook your quinoa, but because I want to add coconut milk, I am going to be making the coconut milk 1 cup of coconut milk, and the other cup will be the water. If you don't have the coconut milk, you can just put the 2 cups of water, but you want to try this with this coconut milk because it's absolutely delicious. Okay, so about this time you're gonna add your the water in, the rest in, and we're gonna get our washed quinoa ready. Why quinoa? Is full of fiber. It does not spike your blood sugar like regular rice would, and you're gonna find yourself, when you start eating quinoa, you're not gonna eat a whole lot on your plate because it fills you up so much. You're not gonna have a whole plate of rice like you would have with regular rice. You're just gonna have a little because the fiber, and you need the fiber for your gut health. So I'm seasoning it with salt, black pepper. Give it a good mix. We're gonna cover this and let this cook medium heat. Don't forget to add your black lentils in. If you don't have lentils, you can add your can of red beans. You can add whatever beans you like, but I want you to try this with the black lentils. It's so good. Give that a good mix, and now we're gonna close this pot and let this boil for about 15 minutes. You don't want to turn it up too high because you don't want it to burn. But the good thing is, when you make quinoa and you notice it looks soggy, the next day you go to rewarm it, it's grainy and it's not gonna be soggy. Trust me. You can enjoy this with fish, chicken, shrimp, what else? Tofu. You can enjoy it with your green salad. For this recipe, I made some asparagus, I had jerk chicken, and let me tell you, this quinoa is so good. All the benefits will be in the description box of this video. Don't forget to follow, like, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.